Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my vlogs, I guess you could say. This would be the third one. I'm really new to all this stuff, so just bear with me on the editing and all that good stuff. I'll get better as it comes. But anyway, Palm Springs, California, June 3rd. 420 Biker is my channel. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let's get this channel going. So I got my 2022 Lowrider ST, as you guys know, from my good old friends at Palm Springs Harley Davidson. They really take care of me there, so if you guys ever want to go get a bike, they do no dealer markups. Tell them 420 Biker sent you. But we're here to do another exhaust test. Now that I switched it out, no more stock exhausts. It's gonna actually sound like a bike now. And this is HPI, or horsepower incorporated 2-in-1 exhaust, which is pretty much one of the best ones you can get out there as far as aftermarket goes. So now let's do a sound test real quick. This is going to be a short and sweet video. And here we go. Alright guys, so yeah, short and sweet like I said. Follow and subscribe on my new page or my new vlog YouTube 420 Biker. And yeah, let's get this channel going. It's gonna be mostly stuff about the Lowrider ST and bikes, but there'll be other stuff in there. Again, follow, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hope you guys all have a great day out there and a good weekend.